The Merrill tornado was an EF3 tornado that started at approximately 6:05 p.m. 2 miles north of Hamburg in Marathon County. This was the strongest tornado the Merrill area has ever seen, with maximum winds of 130 to 140 miles per hour. The path length was 21.2 miles and the path width was 1,050 yards. The worst damage occurred a bit after 6:20 p.m. just north of Merrill Airport. At least 22 homes and 7 businesses were destroyed, and another 22 homes and 1 business sustained major damage. The damage was estimated at just over $11 million. By the end of the tornado's path, it had reached the Gleason area.